Yes, here we are, back at the dealer.
Another day, another van breakdown, another Mercedes-Benz dealership.
But this time it's not for Trin. It's for a friend of ours, Momo, Trin's boyfriend.
And in a lot of ways it feels like it's our breakdown. So we gotta go console our friends. Let's go check in with them.
Console.
We last left you guys in Tofino, where we were planning on celebrating my birthday and the Canada Day long weekend. And our best friends, Christian and Aubry, aka the Minimal Millennials, were all set to come and meet us. They ferried over to Vancouver Island, and then van breakdown. What up?
What up?
I like this tripod business you got going on.
I feel very legit.
Welcome to our broken down van, y'all.
Oh, I'm sorry, you guys.
Do you guys want to go spend the weekend doing fun things?
Badly need that.
So you guys probably didn't even recognize the inside of little Momo here. She had a bit of a makeover.
He had a bit of a makeover.
But Eamon's
I thought we gave her a sex change too. She's so pretty. If you guys are interested in learning more about what they did, they converted this all themselves, hop over to their channel. And if you guys don't even know who these funny, hilarious people are, then you can hop over to their channel as well. We do post a lot of videos together. We did a whole series in Mexico, and it kind of feels like this might be happening again.
Yeah, exactly. I was just gonna say, in true Mexican fashion, these guys came. They were with us the whole way through our engine breakdown and everything, so of course we're gonna be here for them. We're gonna do whatever we can to make you guys feel at home in Trinity while we're traveling, and just make the most of it, Farpy?
I was thinking that Trinity is kind of like our home away from home, you know?
Aw, that's cute.
It's our lot, huh?
Probably the second van that I feel most at home in.
Good, I'm happy, I'm happy.
All right, well, I don't usually vlog on the GH5, and my hand's getting shaky, so let's hit the road. Good morning.
Where's Christian? He's playing chess. Playing chess? Uh-huh. With who? With these dudes over there.
Hey, Post Malone.
Word up, dude. I'm trying to kick ass and chest right here.
Christian literally will make friends with anyone. Like, we'll be lifelong dear friends after just a couple of hours, especially when there's beer involved.
Great point.
Last night he has, you know, added a lot of people to the list.
This is the aftermath of hosting 6 people in 60 square feet.
Tell them what we did last night, babe, for dinner.
Last night for dinner, we made a massive salad and a massive pot of soup. But originally I was thinking, because we don't have enough bowls or plates, it'll just be better. But it was also a move not to have too many dishes. We just served it right out of the big bowl and right out of the big pot. And everybody had to pass it around.
It's kind of fun.
It was fun. Good morning, everybody. We had a major day yesterday where we almost did something really crazy.
Oh my god, dude. Insert clip now. We just ran into our boy Sandon. And Sandon just grabbed these 2 little border collies. And I think we lost Beck. We will let you know what happens.
Don't be messing on her parade, man. We're trying to brush her into it.
Hey, buddy.
Look at that little yawn. Look at the yawn.
I know. As you can see, we did not go for the puppy, but it really did get us thinking about maybe adopting or getting a pup really soon.
A 3rd member to the family.
A 3rd member.
God, that'd be so awesome.
That would be really.
But I'm obsessed with Vizslas.
Yeah, you are, aren't you?
Have you guys seen a Vizsla before?
And they're supposed to be really cuddly.
They're so affectionate. They're gonna be Beck's best friend. They literally, all they want to do is get their head a little closer under your arm.
Do you guys know when you watch YouTube videos and then your suggested feed is all just the same kind of video? Well,
that's how you know I'm into something, an idea.
exactly. Anytime Eamon's into something, like when he was doing band research, band stuff flooded, and we share a YouTube account, so I'm like looking at whatever he's looking at. If he wants to start a podcast, all you see is how to start a podcast videos. So he's very intense with his research, and lately it's been Vizsla puppies. Anybody have any Vizsla puppies they want us to take?
Please
them?
let us know.
Let us know.
What's the plan today, bud? I don't think they have gears.
I think they do.
Okay, we're gonna get up, get going, and then we got some exciting stuff planned. We have decided that we're gonna rent these amazing little scooters, and found out that there's only one person per scooter. So we just did a little street test to see if it was even possible for these things, because they max out at 35 kilometers an hour, to get 2 people up a hill. And it does work. So we're gonna go see if our ladies wanna jump on the back. The girls are feeling jealous and they want their own scooters.
Of course we do. I can't believe you guys ever thought we wouldn't. That's crazy.
Baby, looking like a real rider.
Oh yeah, the riders, you gotta stretch your hips out. When you're 28 years old like I am now, you have to take every opportunity to really stretch out those hips.
All right, Dina's got her own whip.
Hi everybody, I'm really excited.
She's got her little bike helmet on. Really screwed up here. Christian was not wearing a helmet, and he's gonna be taken into town. Just kidding. Clickbait, dude, clickbait. We're gonna continue on. Christian's gonna go grab a coffee and be the champ that he is. Let's go.
Uh-oh. Obs? You okay?
It's okay, walk it off, walk away. What happened? No, we're good. Thank you.
It just wasn't, I couldn't turn it.
No.
It didn't hurt as much as I
You
thought.
swerved like a bit there, because that's probably
Yeah.
and then you just kept going.
Oh shit.
So what happened?
I just, like, I went into the grass and like, I couldn't slow down.
Holy smokes.
Oh my god, dude. I think it looks worse than it actually was.
Yeah.
Yeah, your legs were like flying in the air.
And I saw this.
No!
Your legs were like,
Did I?
no one
No, I
did, like-
Yeah, you did. You like basically flipped over the handlebars.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're saying the bike flipped.
No, but
Like
Yeah.
when they do those dirt bikes,
I
like,
know.
you know, like, oh my god.
Like, off the bike.
Oh my gosh. You know the old saying, you gotta get back on the horse. Aubrey's gonna get back on. She's gonna go a little slower this time, and I'm gonna put Eamon on the back of my bike.
all right.
Woo-hoo! Get on there.
All right, pass this, I'll vlog.
Okay.
Christian, you would have freaked out, I think. That was terrifying.
I can't believe
I'm
you
glad she's
saw
okay.
it. I'm glad she's okay too.
Freezer and Dawn, we love you both.
Bye.
We'll see you next week, dude.
Wish her
Yeah,
luck.
dude, we'll see you on the 3-day hike.
Epic.
Yeah, bring it, man.
So we're gonna head to the south part of the island. We're gonna have some lunch. The squad is just 4. We each have our own bikes. We all have our own helmets. We are too legit to quit.
Yesterday we were at this great farmers market here that happens on Saturdays, and we tried this amazing vegan cheese, found out that it's served at a local cafe called Morningside, so we all just got off the bikes, we've parked them there. I feel super badass keeping my helmet under my arm as I walk in, and we're gonna eat some lunch and then continue on the journey.
Whenever these kind of songs go on, Becca's inner tap gets out.
Time step dating.
This place is so vegan, no one even cares, dude.
So true, nobody even looked up.
Take off all your clothes and tap dance and no one even notice.
We're living on this emoji map right now.
Maybe go right out here,
Yeah.
and then loop back around and go by
Those
Salt
roads
Spring.
would probably be fun. on.
Stop number 2 on our journey on the bikes has been this Lavender Farm. It feels really relaxing. So these two are literally napping.
Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky.
Oh, Christian's way back there. The day has been incredible. We're gonna return the scoots and try and find a spot to park. Christian's got to work at 5 a.m. so I don't know how that's gonna work with our situation, but he's got to find an internet cafe tomorrow morning, so we got to kind of park close to the town. Is that bok choy?
Bok choy? Yeah, just maybe like right at the end.
Right at the
that'll
end.
cook really fast.
Okay, cool. And cut that into like little pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we are at the same campsite that we woke up to this morning. Christian is working full time, so needed to be close to town to get some Wi-Fi early in the AM, and we thought this was a pretty okay, super smash and terrific kind of place. So, Aubry and I are gonna just do some yoga while the quinoa cooks for dinner, and
So good, dude.
that's just all the update. Let's just have a look at this. I love this time of day. This is, yeah.
Couple rule breakers today.
So of all the places we could park, we choose to park where it says.
We're not drinking. We're not smoking.
Yeah.
We don't have a campfire.
Yep.
But we are camping and we're thinking about getting a dog.
And if we had our puppy that we really wanted, we'd be breaking that rule. So we're only breaking one rule, you guys. Alright guys, dinner is done. The place is thundered yet again. Christian's just polishing off the bowl. He said he couldn't. Proud of you. Proud of you, kid. Eamon is outside. Where'd he go? You guys know how much I love my plant petunia. She's hurting so bad. I told you she was dying.
Yeah.
You can save her, I know it. Oh, did you find more soil?
I've just been scraping it off the ground.
Oh, is that good?
I don't know.
I think that's dirt more than soil.
Yeah, I can't find soil.
Okay, well whatever, put her in there for now.
Okay, I'm just gonna
People tell me that these plants never can die.
I'm gonna put some soil in there,
Oh my gosh.
then plant her in there,
Oh, she's so droopy. And like, what happened here?
and then put the soil back on top.
Oh, we're the worst. Why are we thinking about having a puppy when we cannot even keep a plant alive? Oh, sugar. I super love friends. I super love family. But it is really difficult having this many people in our tiny, tiny house constantly. Dishes, here we come.
Pindeo 1 and Pindeo 2 y arroz y tent.
You said that they're gonna have
I
rice
said
in their
rice,
tent.
something, yeah.
Yeah.
They are gonna sleep in the tent and we're gonna close this one off. So we will see you in the next one. Remember, the harder you work, the harder you play. So get working.
Ooh. You guys look really pretty in the water there, I must say.
Yeah, are you sleeping with a helmet lately?
Yeah, I told you I'd keep it on me at all times.
We also kept the motorcycle scooter thing just so this guy can rip it at 5 a.m. Are you vlogging tomorrow? Because that'd be gold.
Oh, just rip it. Yeah, yeah, I am now.
All right, so go to their channel to watch that.
All right, guys.
Good night. Peace.
Good night.
Oh,
Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks,
please, buddy, like and subscribe. There's something going on with the record button here. It just won't shut off.
Oh, what?
Look, I've been pressing it. And it won't shut off.
Extra time with Eamon and back. Extra time. Eamon took out my hair elastic and said Petunia needed it more than me. Oh, look at how kinky my hair looks.
Look how good Petunia looks. Oh, your hair does look good.
Woo.
You guys both look great.
And now I have to go to sleep. I don't even get to go out and show it off.
Good night.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You're literally standing on my foot.
I know, I like to get close to you when we do these sign-offs so we look like we love each other. Good night.
Night.
Night.